Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Steam on a desktop browser or the Steam client. Mobile apps can be inconsistent. Once signed in, pull out the 15-character code from the card or email. Make sure characters read clearly. Next, go to the top menu, select Games, and choose Redeem a Steam Wallet code. Type the code exactly. Avoid confusing 0 and O. This first step places funds into your Steam wallet so you can purchase immediately. Once the code is accepted, confirm your Steam wallet balance at the top right corner. Refresh if the new total doesn't appear immediately. Then find the game or item you want, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Choose Purchase for Myself and Steam Wallet as the payment method. The system applies funds automatically. If the item costs more than your balance, you'll be prompted to select an additional payment method to cover the difference. This finishes authorizing your purchase. Complete the purchase by reviewing the order summary, confirming wallet usage, and clicking Buy. Downloads often start right away. If the code is rejected, first recheck each character and ensure the card is activated at the point of sale and matches your Steam region. Once done, allow up to a few minutes for the balance to update. Make sure you refresh. If funds still don't appear after 24 hours, contact Steam support with your receipt or card details so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.